Hey guys, so we're focusing on the brows, not the nails. So this video has been highly requested by my subbies. A very easy and simple way to achieve these fleeky brows, and more so how to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. If you want to see how I achieve this, you already know what to do. Just stay tuned. So this is what the product looks like. I'm going in with the shade Ebony because it's closest to my natural hair color. Unlike brow pencils, pomades are more of a gel-like consistency, very similar to that of a gel eyeliner. You can use as much or as little you want to, but I would advise to go in with as little and then build up the product on your brows as you go. So I'll be going in with a flat brush just like this, and also a spoolie to brush out my brows. You can also use a brush similar to this, which has both at the ends. Whoever made this brush is a total genius. So first I assess my brows, visualize how I want them to look, see if I need to tweeze or wax or pluck them. Then I go in with the pomade. I usually place some at the back of my hand. I don't go directly into the jar. I just find this helps me control the amount of product that I use. I usually start out by outlining the bottom of my brow. For support, I would rest my hand towards my cheek area so I can be able to draw that straight line. It's all about having a steady hand with this product to be able to control the amount of product that you use for the desired look that you're going for. You will see me go in and do that same exact step towards the top of my brow. Now since my brows are naturally thinner, I like to go in and just widen them a bit, just to create that thickness, but not too thick. Next, you'll see me go in to fill in the brow from the tail to the front, creating a fade-like effect. I'm basically covering up any sparse areas within the brow. I'm trying to create hair-like strokes with the front of the brow so it can seem natural, but if you can't do this, then you can just go in with the spoolie and brush them out. You see me go in with the spoolie just to blend out that product into my brow so it looks as natural as possible. After I do so, I will go in with a little bit more product just to cover any sparse areas. To create that faded look, you will see me go in and brush my brows just a little bit forward to disperse the product to create that faded look. We don't want any boxy brows. Going in with a concealer brush similar to any of these, and also a concealer which is 2 shades lighter than your skin complexion. I'm using the LA Girl in the shade Fawn to clean up under my brows. If you are a beginner and you have difficulty blending out this, you could always try to use a foundation at the beginning of the brow and blend it out inwards. be able to do this precisely, you can use your hand for support while holding the brush like a pencil and then gliding the product along the brows. To further blend out this concealer, you can go in with a brush or you can go in with your finger if you choose to. Clean the top of the brow, you can go in with a concealer, your same skin shade, or you could just go in with your foundation. Now you'll just see me going with a little bit more product just to fill in that sparse area and then clean up the edges using whatever product that I have left on the brush. Next, you'll see me go in with a small sponge just to blend out any concealer or foundation, but this step is not usually necessary. And there we have it, the fleekness. Yes, honey. Yes. I absolutely love this product because it's waterproof, meaning that your brows will last you the entire day. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you learned anything, let me know as well. Also, my darlings, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.